Talk, talk, talk. Well, I love talking. But in English, we also have some slang phrases with the word talk. And that's what we are going to learn in today's lesson. Hi friends, I am Niharika and thanks for clicking. Well, in today's lesson, we are going to look at some slang phrases that you can use with your family members or with your friends with the word talk. Like I said that I love talking, but then we also have some slang phrases with the word talk. So let's have a look at the first one, which is coffee talk. Now, when do you use this slang phrase? For example, when you go out with your friend and you're just hanging out with this person and talking about things here and there. So nothing important, but just things in general. Nothing important. So then you say that, oh, we just went out for a coffee talk. Okay, so not really that you went to a coffee shop to have a cup of coffee. But when you say that, oh, I just went out with John for a coffee talk, it means that you were hanging out with John and you were just talking about casual things, nothing important. Okay, let's move on to another slang phrase, which is pep talk. My niece was really upset last night, so I had to pep talk to her. So what does really pep talk mean? It means that when you are having a conversation with someone in order to encourage that person or to just change that person's mood or to motivate that person. So when someone is upset and probably not going through a very good time, okay, then you need to pep talk to that person, which means that you need to probably just change their mood or probably just encourage them, motivate them. So you can say that I had to pep talk to her, okay? Alright, let's move on to another slang expression, which is real talk. Have you come across some fathers who say to their kids that, hey, I need to have a real talk with you? So what does real talk means? It means that when a person wants to talk about something important and wants to have this real honest chat with someone, then you can use the slang expression, which is real talk. Okay, usually parents do use this term, right? I need to real talk with you. So which means, or I need to have a real discussion with you. So both are used in a similar way when someone wants to have an honest chat with you, when someone wants you to be very honest and truthful, then you can use the expression real talk. Okay? Let's move on to another one, dirty talk. So what is dirty talk? Now, men love to have dirty talks with girls. So dirty talk is when someone is having a conversation about sex, or when someone is just passing some sexual comments, so it means that person is doing some dirty talk, okay? Like my neighbor, I can't tolerate his dirty talks, which means that whenever he's having a conversation, he really dirty talks. He really adds some sexual comments or, talks about sex too much. So that's dirty talk. Okay, let's move on to another one, which is trash talk. So what is trash talk? Well, when someone criticizes the other person way too much or gossips, then it means this person trash talks too much. So have you come across people who do that? They love insulting or they love criticizing someone. Then those words or those expressions that they end up using can be described as trash talk. Will you stop this trash talk of yours? Be nice to someone, okay? So when you criticize or you insult, it means that you are trash talking, okay? Let's move on to another one, which is sweet talk. Have you all come across any sweet talkers in life? Well, I have. Too many. Because there are people who talk to you so wonderfully. They're just so nice and sweet to you. But they're doing this in order to persuade you to do something for them. They need favors. And that's exactly why they're being so nice. Isn't it? We do, meet people who are just so nice to us. But in real, they want us to do something for them. And that's exactly the reason why they're being nice. Okay, so yes, we do come across sweet talkers. So when they are sweet, when they're being nice and they're using nice, polite words, then those words can be described as sweet talk. So being nice for taking some favors. Okay? The next one, shit talk. Ooh, when do we use this? Well, when someone insults you too much, someone is so rude, is so mean to you, and you hate the way this person talks to you, then you use the expression shit talk. I hate the way my friend shit talks to other people. So which means probably you have a friend whom you do not like so much, and this person just talks way too mean things about someone. So it means that this person talks shit. So either you can say he talks shit, or you can say that I do not like shit talks. Okay? The next one. Well, let me write the meaning. Let's move on to another one, which is locker room talk. Ooh, well, locker room talk. What does this really mean? Well, this slang is just perfect for the boys who love to chat in their locker rooms. So probably they are very comfortable chatting, abusing, talking about sex, talking about girls, and talking or using abusive, profanity language. So boys are boys, and if they talk shit, or if they abuse, or they're talking about sex, then they do that in the locker room. So all these words can be put into locker room talk. Oh, we were just having a locker room talk. So when they're using abusive language, they're using profanity, when they're having a sexual talk, so everything comes under locker room talk. And then the last one that I have for you is to talk turkey. So what does this really mean? Well, talk turkey is again when you want to have a chat or when you want to talk to someone in a very frank way. Okay, so a frank talk or talking frankly. So talking frankly is talk turkey. For example, there have been issues between us and we really need to discuss this out. So let's talk turkey. So let's be honest, let's be frank to each other. Let's talk turkey. So talk turkey is a little similar to real talk. But real talk is when you're talking something important, when you want that person to be very honest, then you use this term. But talk turkey is when you really want to have an open discussion. Okay, you want to put in all the points, you want to be really frank with the other person, then you say talk turkey. Okay, so these are some 9 slang phrases with the word talk. Use them in your conversations with your friends and family, and I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, you take care.